Yes, guys, tonight for videos, and it's the
Kevin.
night at the storm, and it's no storm,
What's the
right? We prepare, we fill all the barrels, and what
barrels? We went to get candles.
100 cases of
We get
water.
matches. We get batteries.
Ah.
We get canned food.
I put bucket wherever leaking.
We,
Boy,
we line up in hours in the grocery. We line up hours in the gas station. No rain.
I know rain, but I'm happy. But this little vlog is just
Yeah.
we're gonna cook a little something for the children before the storm. It's like about 7 o'clock. They say
7 o'clock.
we gonna hit about
About 9 time.
9, right? So we frightened, she panicking, so she what the baby face,
Panic.
right?
She was like, Daddy, yesterday was my last birthday.
So your man, she never said that to her. So the main thing we charge up everything. I charge all the iPad, I charge the laptop, because remember your laptop could use as a charger also.
Yeah.
We charge everything possible to charge. I charge everything.
And we also make sure and charge the cameras because we had to vlog the experience. Me
Right.
and he go in the rain and he turned on light then.
I have 4 batteries, but nothing yet, guys. So I actually had something else to cook. I won't say what I had to cook,
Nah, don't say.
because that could be another video.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, if it happen.
right now, we're waiting for the storm to make that cook. But right now, we just want to do something simple for the kids. So I see one who's normally cook the macaroni and egg and cheese for the kids, but Kevin said he want to do it, right? So
Yeah.
I'll still must stock up with cheese, right? I still must stock up with some cheese because a storm coming, right, guys?
Good.
And I will love you guys to see, right? I will love you guys. Sorry, let me tell the camera. I will love you guys. Kevin went and great for this mac and cheese. Now you know mac and cheese, it's macaroni and egg. That's about a sprinkle of cheese. This boy great. How she cut him a block of cheese. $50 block of cheese.
If you did storm last in one day, you can buy a nice block of cheese.
It don't matter. Look at cheese this boy great.
And Suri said how she wanted very cheesy, so I grated as much as I
You
could.
see that? Sorry, here, get a little bowl. Carry some for Anya, baby. Anya love cheese. Here, take a little thing. Show some for
That's
she.
why.
Pour a little thing for Anya now. Anya love cheese. Not too much. But God, it's gotta be that little bit, sorry. Oh, God. Carry a little cheese for Anya now.
Anya.
Come on, baby. She was some
And
cookie.
I went against he.
You like your cook? Sorry, take some more now. Anya want some. You only study yourself.
Where is it?
Oh, God, take us some for Anya
She
now.
upstairs.
Take us some for Anya,
She
baby.
have
Right now we have guys Cindy behind the scenes, Cindy and Bella behind the scenes. So Kevin gonna show you the macaroni.
right guys.
So Kevin, you ever make macaroni like this?
I
Like
made
how I
it-
explained to you.
I made
But
it.
you know you're gonna put your own touches, because I tell you how to use this cheese.
So I just make it, but not like how you say I have my little tin on it. So
Right, good.
that's why I'm doing it today.
So guys, plenty macaroni. This is one of my kids' and favorite food. Macaroni egg with cheese.
And guys,
As I said, guys, Kevin wastes all my cheese.
didn't waste yet, right?
Yeah.
And guys, if all else fails, we have breakfast for tomorrow,
Nah, that'll waste here, boy. That'll waste here.
right?
Love it, we love
Little
it.
shake, only hot
Look
water.
what you shaking.
Shake it, baby, shake.
I would like, guys, this place, the rain is drizzling,
I
guys.
feel, watch my forehead. I'm sweaty.
Yeah. Don't want to Rowley message. Rowley WhatsApp the country and say, don't panic.
Don't
He
panic.
know what he talking about.
You know we talking about.
We go see.
Right, guys.
Oh, God.
Right, you fry. Let me get my eggs. The old pack.
The old pack will be the tray of eggs with eggs missing.
All right.
Right.
All full.
This one full.
This one full.
No. Check and make sure.
This full.
Watch, that one missing an egg. He asked me,
Who does put the pack with the egg missing in the back?
Kevin, well,
Nobody.
Kevin, I would not stock up on eggs for the storm, right, guys? I don't know wrong with you. I would not stock up on eggs for the storm.
The man put the fresh egg on top. The fresh egg go to the bottom.
I didn't pack the fridge. I bring the ghost and I asked my daughter to pack the fridge. Because I was trying to sort out
alright,
have a window.
I guess she habla. I guess she
Right,
habla.
guys? I have a window that I need to fix all kind of madness. I started doing like a man, Kevin, one of course. We
Well,
started to bucket of red sand, all kind of thing.
I see the man struggling. I still am help him out. I come, I leave my house with my struggles to come and help his struggles.
No, he did help more. Big help. I'm very happy fit.
Favorite cousin like this guy. Like this guy. So Let's see.
I just put about 4 eggs. So I should, it wasn't me, I put more egg, but them children don't care for the egg much.
So guys, this is Cindy's favorite dish, eggs. She loves eggs. So what I like to do, I like to crack separately and then pour it in the same bowl, right?
Why?
Just to make sure nothing can spoil.
That's why I want to make sure you know that.
Right? So
That was a secret I learned from an old lady.
Yeah, same.
She lived Pinal. You laughing, are you serious? Look, I to that boss egg like I'm mad. And then after you have one spoil, I'm going to spoil all the eggs.
Spoil all the eggs. I learned that when I used to bake with this long time.
Long time.
Long.
Bella, what happened there, girl? We have Bella and Cindy dance, guys, and we can't leave them out. We always have a family close by.
But they can't be in spirit.
Yeah. Lovely vibes. I can't believe Kevin William here not drizzle.
Yeah, boy. So what do you think? 4 good or add one more?
4 good. That's why I don't like the egg. Just like it, like mince up, like real fine.
Yeah, just...
If there any junk of egg and thing, then we need it.
Okay.
Them look at you, no junk of egg and
Right. So guys, while we're doing this, we're prepping this, right? I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, a little black pepper in this. And the pot heating right now. So, there we go. We're not going to whisk us here. Salt. A little pinch. A little salt base style.
Very nice.
A little black pepper.
They're not black pepper. They're not black pepper, you big girl. Parsley. He tried parsley and black pepper and Bella.
My bad. Okay guys, I'll check the label this time.
Black pepper, I want to know.
It look the same. Right? Slight to moderate, let's show anything. And I get that a quick whisk.
Yes, of course. Real nice. We love it.
Skills.
It don't spoil much around food, eh? Right? Yeah.
Right guys, the egg prepared. Close off this one.
Guys, you see this meal here? This is something that we grew up on. Helen used to make this way right through. The same process she making this macaroni, she's doing it with the stale rice, Kevin.
You see it, right?
Same process, yeah, same process. But the stale rice don't have no cheese. I doing different.
Right.
But it are all the same ingredients.
Okay. Oh, you the egg fried rice?
Yes.
Right.
That was the macaroni.
Yeah,
It's the same process, but that's without cheese. I don't know if you just do that with stale rice. You just do that with stale rice?
And I used to do it a long time, and don't really do it anymore.
I just really do that. But the secret, guys, you have to put plenty of pepper. Real pepper. When you're making that egg fried rice.
Right guys, so I have some oil heating in the pot. My eggs. Perfectly nice, real nice, over nice.
Just remember, my children don't like it junky, yeah?
Chunky, so you want it fine.
They like it fine, yes. They don't like no big chunk of egg. Where's that brown thing in the pot?
That is the water that was previously in the pot.
Turn brown.
Right, so
We don't care.
I'm gonna add the eggs, guys.
Yeah, we don't care.
Gently to the oil.
We don't care, guys.
So they don't like the eggs junky, so we need to
Start to beat it.
Start to beat it.
Start to beat it one time.
right, so you just get a little turn.
I got a little keep stirring like a mad. Anytime you stop stirring there, you get junky. You keep stirring. All that takes you can start at the macaroni. They go mix up with the macaroni and cook.
Alright. Fine. The man directed me like he
no,
can. Right, you loosen up your macaroni.
It is cooked with the macaroni, don't worry
You
yourself.
add all in.
Real macaroni. You have to give us the ingredients and the other macaroni and thing. You subside your vexing and thing, lay off and thing. But you may want to look for vexing and thing. Guys, this is a real simple, nice kid meal. Trust me, if you never make this to your children, you should make it. Yeah.
Right guys, and like for me, as Vidya just said, for people who do have kids, it works too.
No, I love this. As a big man, I see this boy.
Right,
This will bring me back to my childhood memories.
so guys, nothing is finished in our household without some MSG.
Yeah, no, this
You need this to flavor it.
this with all wetsun is not the same.
Right. Add some more black pepper. Just slight, and each children can eat too much spice.
We love it. We love it.
A pinch of
We really,
What
really
sauce?
love it.
and the cheese he complaining about.
No, well, add all the cheese in it. We're gonna make a macaroni pie. We're gonna put it in the oven.
An egg pie. Right. Let me see how this goes first.
Leave a load of heat on it. Looking amazing. Delicious.
So personally for
Where
myself,
are again?
you say you wanted some palm?
No, I went on Parmesan now when you add all the cheese. I don't add that cheese, I just add Parmesan now. But taste it and see if you got enough vexin and whatever salt and thing.
So guys, just monitor how you add in your salt because the cheese itself, these market or grocery cheese, always have a very
The best cheese in the world, guys. Trinidad cheese.
It always have a salty texture, so you need to be careful with the cheese, right? So
Well, honestly, it's not Trinidad cheese. That don't make it Trinidad.
yeah,
You sure I'm making Trinidad?
yeah.
Guys, must any comment. I don't know if the real cheese making Trinidad. I don't know if it's imported or it makes that. I don't know.
And making New Zealand Trinidad.
I know what I say. I don't ever take Kevin word for it, guys.
Right, let me taste it. Right, guys.
See what you need.
Cheers.
Cheers. Better hungry in the background. They might see shit in a little corner. What you need?
A little more salt.
Salt.
A little pinch of salt. Add back a little more MSG. Just for flavor. And a little sprig of cheese.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with
You
it.
can chew all your cheese if you want to.
Alright,
I don't
then.
care. You done great it already. It might stay in the fridge.
Well, I was really gonna show it. I was gonna do it off camera. Right, so we lower the heat, guys, because you don't want your pot to sort of stick. And you just stir until all the cheese combine and perfectly melty and gooey.
So guys, what Kevin make here, guys, is just the process before you put it in the oven to make a macaroni pie.
No, it's not the process before you make a macaroni pie. Everybody who knows that knows it's not.
The only thing different, you add some conditioner milk.
Right?
Oh God.
I think this is the
Nah,
bomb.
it's looking delicious though.
Let me taste again.
You taste your thing. How we got in? How we got in?
Perfect.
Real good? Over nice?
Over
Real
nice.
nice?
How this so?
All this stuff, guys, check it out. Wow. Guys, I'm going to go for the babies and them.
Like I said, you got a nice hearty spoonful full of cheese.
That's perfect. That's enough.
Right?
Enough. Next one. So guys, I always take out less of my children. And if they want more, they will ask. I hate when they just waste food because you know,
Yeah,
they shouldn't waste food.
so you eat little and they come back for more when they're ready.
Yes.
That is all.
Yeah.
You don't take too much with the chewing.
Real nice.
Right, so 3 plates ready?
Let me get 3 forks now. You okay for them? And they will taste it and see.
Yeah.
Or shall we just let it cool for a sec? We will wait a little bit and let's let it cool. Because they don't can eat it hot, right, Kevin?
Yeah, yeah. That
We
makes
just let it rest for a little 5 minutes. Right, guys? So we'll be back to our regular program. Yeah.
They're gonna sample.
So the kids gonna taste mac and cheese.
With egg.
All they go in the corner, Right? All they taste it. I'm already tasting.
If it's missing anything, if I don't want anything.
Taste it.
This one just tastes more cheese. It has no salt in it.
It's on a what?
Saltiness in it.
No
So
saltiness.
it just tastes like cheese. I love it.
Oh.
And I don't like
Anya, your turn. That thumbs up.
And I love it.
I like it too.
You like it?
Okay.
It don't matter who cook it.
Okay.
This guy. You want
So
some?
guys, we had a little mixed reviews. We had 2.
2 out of 3 not bad.
2 other 3 but who all if you cook it? Who all if you cook it?
Daddy.
Mix.
I don't know. Kevin. Uncle Kevin.
Guys, we will taste it and see how it goes. Me and Kevin gonna be the big taster now. Why not? Can let me taste this?
Well, you taste now. You taste. Because I cook, so you taste.
Yeah. Ah, they got-
Right, guys. Check the pot. Macaroni, egg, cheese. What more you want? And Cindy sit down there dribbling. Let me see it in action there.
Check it out, guys. I just say it isn't really good. It's not the way I just make it, but I like it. I really like it. I have a few macaroni pie.
The man said about serious macaroni pie vibes, right?
I do it.
Well, everybody love a good Trini macaroni pie, right?
I mean, like I eat the macaroni. I mean, like I eat some nice macaroni.
With scrambled eggs.
But I don't come on.
But I ain't gonna lie, Evie. I ain't gonna lie. Out of your 3 daughters, the 2 who actually like it, I was expecting that.
Who's that?
Surya and Anya. I was expecting Vinaya to say she didn't like it.
Why?
Because the way I went and tell them come and taste, I thought she feel like you cook it already now. So
I don't.
when she tasted, she knows it's not you cook it. She knows it's not you cook it from tasting
I
it.
remember Vinay is the smartest one in the group.
Guys, we get to who's the favorite.
So guys, that was the natural live video. A little short, little munch for the kids just before the storm.
Just before the
And
storm.
now we just do it. We real bad. We over bad.
We were bad without a storm.
And we waiting on the storm. I mean, we are waiting on. If it come, it come. If it don't come, it don't come. It don't matter to me, right? We here, and we will keep all informed about the situation.
Just a disclaimer to the people who are affected by the storms. I mean, we are a little excited about it, but I mean,
and then we excited. Just that we never experienced. Nothing. Yeah.
In full.
So like we don't want no storm, but yet we still kind of excited
to see what it's about.
Yeah, honest opinion. That's my honest opinion.
So
right?
to the people who are affected, we truly care.
Yeah.
We hope all they don't be affected badly, but we want to see what it's about.
I want to think about Kevin Blue here. Huh? Something wrong with this China now. But I don't know. And we out. Bye bye.